welcome back. Well, Valentine's Day just a few days away now, and you might be thinking about flowers or a dinner date, and who doesn't love a nice box of chocolates? But you can enjoy those sweet treats and still take care of your teeth. Well, I'm joined now by Dr. Jalad. He's with Weekend Dental out of Heron. Welcome back to the show.
Rachel, thank you for having me again. It's so great seeing you again.
Now, thank you for coming back. It's our pleasure. Now, talking about all of these sweet treats, it only made sense to talk about teeth. And you're our resident expert here. Let's get right into it. So we all love Valentine's Day chocolate or some form of Valentine's Day treat. How can you partake in that and still have, great teeth?
What a wonderful question to start with. Well, here is the truth. The idea is with Valentine's coming in, you want to keep it. The goal is to keep it as a sweet time, make a sweet time, but don't let the sweet hurt you later. That's the goal. And I always say the trick to this is this. Sweets are not bad. Candy is not bad. Sugar is not evil. Okay. But if you don't clean it off your teeth, the bacteria in your mouth will change that sugar into acid, and acid is the enemy. Acid is what destroys your teeth.
Okay.
So you eat whatever sweets your heart desires, as long as you take care of your teeth afterward.
Okay. Well, we joked about this a little bit earlier. I said, I'm pretty sure that you can just eat any sweet that you want to, as long as you've got a toothbrush in your pocket. But that might look a little ridiculous.
Isn't it? Yes.
Yeah.
You hit the nail on that head.
Okay.
So eat whatever you like, as long as you do two things.
Okay.
The first one, put 2 hours between servings.
Oh, all right.
The second thing, you want to brush often. Now, why 2 hours?
Yes, I wanted to ask that.
Yeah, it takes 2 hours for the saliva to come and wash things around.
Oh.
So you think about it this way. If you load the dishwasher, let it run a full cycle.
That's
if you start
clever.
snacking every day, all day long, you never had a full cycle. So 2 hours is great. Now, the second part is you need to brush your teeth. Everybody remembers you need to brush twice a day.
Yes.
But we all forget that the American Dental Association says 2 minutes each.
Okay.
And 2 minutes is a very long time. Have you ever timed yourself brushing your teeth, Rachel?
Well, we used to say the alphabet a couple times when I was a kid.
Smart?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, I timed myself. It was 20 seconds.
Oh.
So I did the math, and I found
That's not good.
if to get to the 4 minutes,
Shame on you.
I need to brush 12 times a day, isn't
Okay.
it? I'm not advocating for 12 times a day. What I'm saying, try to aim for 4.
All right.
First thing in the morning and before going to bed. Those are non-negotiable.
Okay.
During the day, any 2 times. Lunchtime, dinner time, snack time, movie time. With kids, it's tricky. What I would recommend always is bargain, don't argue.
Okay.
What I do with my kids, if I ever see them doing something they like, watching TV, playing game, about to eat something sweet, I say, kiddos, pause that, go brush your teeth, and you can come back and have at it.
There you go.
Try it, and you'll thank yourself.
But so really, it's the old adage, everything in moderation. You have to, you can't just eat all of that candy in one sitting. I mean, and I might actually, that tends to be a guilty pleasure of mine at Halloween, but, and also with the kids, you mentioned, now that's something that my kids will legit hide candy in like sock drawers. How important is it that we make sure that the kiddos are eating that candy in moderation, and not just on Valentine's Day, that's pretty much any day?
Well, you're right about it. The key is moderation.
Okay.
But as a parent, you're busy all day long, right?
Yes.
So you have to establish some system. The idea is you tell your kids, you eat whatever you like, but you have to do this and that. And you put some boundaries, and they will respect it.
There you go. That's a great idea. Well, speaking of candy and, well, maybe having too much candy, what is your favorite candy?
Oh, thank you for asking that question.
Yes.
Well, look, can I go slightly and say what is the bad candy try to avoid first?
Yes.
Oh,
we
wonderful,
can,
wonderful. So you try this. You want to avoid the hard candy, and you want to avoid the sticky candy.
Okay.
Hard candy lingers in your mouth.
Makes sense.
Sugar turns into acid. Sticky candy clings to your teeth, hard to clean off. So taffy, Tootsie Rolls, Sweethearts, Nerds, I would say those, be careful with them.
Okay.
Now the good
Makes
candy is the soft candy, chocolate, peanut butter, and ice cream. So my favorite is going to be the cordial cherry, the soft candy and dipped in chocolate. If you have strawberry, blueberries dipped in chocolate, that's great. Hershey's Kisses and Reese's Cups, those are great.
All right. Well, we'll have to remember that next time that you're on the show. Well, Okay, if you'd like to leave the audience, we've got about 30 seconds left with a final note for Valentine's Day and taking care of these pretty smiles. What would that be?
Oh, wonderful. So here's a trick. Hope you have a safe and happy Valentine's. Enjoy yourself, but take care of your teeth. Make sure you put 2 hours in between and you brush your teeth often, first thing in the morning and before going to bed. And if you have a toothache, do not wait to get it seen. See your dentist or come and check us out. Weekend Dental is open 6 days a week, every day but Tuesday.
Thank you so much for coming in. We really appreciate your advice. And I mean, we're always trying to do what we can to keep these smiles pretty. So thank you.
Well, you most welcome.
All right. Well,